Doctors told Nicole Almeida it was unlikely her son would make it to his first birthday.
I was 5 months pregnant, and it's like I had the wind knocked out of me.
Her baby had a genetic mutation causing a rare disease called spinal muscular atrophy, or SMA. Eventually, patients aren't able to walk, eat, or even breathe.
I dove into the research.
She found what she now calls a miracle. 27 days after baby Mateo was born, he had a one-time infusion of an experimental treatment that doctors hope could fix the broken gene. Nearly 4 years later, no sign of SMA. And that experimental treatment called Zolgensma, approved today by the FDA. It's now the most expensive drug on earth, with a price tag of $2.1 million.
How do you respond, though, to people who might say that your company is asking a ransom almost for these kids' lives?
I think those critics are not actually thinking about how our healthcare systems work. I mean, today for transplants, we spend $3 to $5 million with far less efficacy than what we see with a medicine like this.
The CEO of Novartis says because it's only given once, the cost is less expensive than current treatments and is covered by insurance with payments spread out over 5 years like a mortgage.
It's some very clever marketing idea. This mortgage approach is the same thing that has driven up home prices and college tuition.
With hundreds of gene therapies in development, many are worried insurance companies will pass on the cost to the consumer. Today, one watchdog group called the price fair, given the drug's potential. Parents Nicole and Derwin agree.
There's no price on human life, right? Like, how much would you pay to save your kid?
A question more and more may soon be asking. Kristen Dahlgren, NBC News, Boston.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.